In a significant ruling, the Supreme Court has clarified that reserved category students who score above the general category cutoff are entitled to be considered for unreserved seats. The apex court observed that candidates belonging to the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and other backward classes who qualify on merit must not be restricted to quota seats alone and should be treated at par with general category candidates. The court made these observations while overturning a 2013 Kerala High Court ruling related to recruitment in the Kerala Administrative Service, which had favored reserved category appointments only within quota limits. A bench led by Justice M.M. Sundaresh noted that the concept of unreserved does not mean exclusion of reserved category candidates who qualify on merit. The court emphasized that reservation is meant to ensure representation, not to penalize merit. The judgment reiterates a long-standing constitutional principle that merit-based selection cannot be curtailed by caste-based classification, and that reserved seats should remain protected for those who genuinely require them. The ruling is expected to have wide implications for government recruitments and admissions across the country, bringing clarity to seat allocation policies.